Hey guys, it's Miss Irving here again, and today we are building something pretty fun. We are building a race car, or I built a race car, and we're going to talk about it. It's super cool. You can see it here, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so I'll explain the coding after. Push play. I'll run that again. See if you can see what's happening. Alright, so let's take a look at it here. We have our main battery here. We have a motor, and that motor is turning these wheels. We have our light or our motion sensor right here. So now let's see how our coding is controlling those things. So first of all, we have a message that's going to pop up on the screen saying 0, like this. And then it is going, oh, I made it go. There we go. Then it is going to wait until it senses something in front of it. When it does sense something in front of it, it's going to go at a speed of 10. And it's going to be rotating like this, or the motor is going to be rotating like this. And then we have a loop here that says the pop-up, like that white block up here, is going to change from 0 to 1. And it's going to keep going like that until something comes in front of it again, and then it'll stop. So, now that you know what it's doing, let's see if we can kind of cut it out frame, but I stopped it with my hand. Let's see, one more time. There we go. It's pretty cool. So this race car, what's so cool about it is using a lot of the things that we've talked about, both in class and in these videos. So we have our motor, we have our sensors, and we have this thing right here. This rubber band works like a gear. These wheels are on an axle. So this just is kind of a nice combination of all the things we've learned so far. So at home, I want you to build a race car. And you might not be able to make it work remotely with like an iPad, but if you have wheels, you should still be able to make it roll. So think about our axle, this thing that the wheels spin on. Think about gears, like this rubber band. Think about friction, like we talked about last time, the friction between the surface your car is riding on and the car wheels. So yeah, just think about all those things as you build this at home. See you next time.